Hello and welcome to the Spoon Harbor channel. Delicate cottage cheese pastries with oat flour and a berry center. A simple healthy dessert you'll want to make again and again. Golden, soft, and filled with bright red currant jam, juicy apples, and of course, banana, which always fits right in. Healthy baking can actually be beautiful. These are the pastries that disappear from the table first. I think the real genius move here is making the base out of cottage cheese instead of dough. So for these pastries, you'll need cottage cheese 2%, 400 grams, oat flour, 70 grams, egg, 1, salt, 1 gram, Greek yogurt, 3%, no added sugar, 175 grams, erythritol, 30 grams, a natural sweetener, baking powder, 3 grams, vanillin powder, 1 gram, or substitute with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Egg yolk, 1, for the glaze. This amount makes 8 pastries. Add sweetener and salt to the cottage cheese. Mix well with a fork. Then add 1 egg and mix. Add vanillin powder and mix. Add oat flour. I made mine by grinding rolled oats in a coffee grinder. Sift the oat flour through a sieve into the cottage cheese mixture. Mix. Now the fun part, shaping the pastries. I scoop the dough with an ice cream scoop and roll it into a ball. The dough has a nice consistency, barely sticks to your hands, easy to work with. This is what the ball should look like. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Using the same ice cream scoop, press a well in the center, forming a little nest for the yogurt filling. Then shape the edges with your hands. Add 1/3 gram of salt to the yogurt, about the tip of a knife. This gives the pastries a nice, tangy, savory kick. Fill the pastries with the yogurt. Add half a teaspoon of sweetener to the yolk. Mix and brush it over the edges. This gives them that beautiful golden shine and appetizing crust. Bake at 170 to 180 degrees Celsius, bottom and top heat, no convection, for 15 to 20 minutes. But remember to check your own oven. Once cooled, top the pastries with any fruit or jam you like. I used red currant jam, apple jam, and fresh banana slices. You can dust them with powdered sugar. And now, for the tasting. Look how soft they are on the inside, the cottage cheese base, the light tang of yogurt, and the aromatic apple jam, an absolutely perfect combination. Cook with love, and remember, you've got this.